Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Megan here. Today I am doing a video on how to wear a headscarf. So this is just a pretty big scarf from H&M and I bought a couple weeks ago, and I'm going to show you guys a couple different ways how to wear it. So for the first look, we're going to start with folding our headscarf in half diagonally, and then you are going to take it and you're gonna roll it, and you probably want about 4 fingers width, and you're gonna take it from the middle and from the end you're gonna take it from the side that has the tips of the scarf, and you're going to put it to the nape of your neck, and you're going to make sure that there's no hair in the way. Then you're going to bring it up and tie it at the top of your head. I'm going to tie it twice. And instead of going like this, you're going to switch the loose pieces, and you're going to tie them at the nape of your neck. And the little tie at the nape, and you're ready to go. You can wear the scarf like this with your hair down, up in a ponytail, bun, back in a braid, half up, half down. It works pretty much with anything, and it looks really nice. Now for the next look, you're gonna fold the scarf like that, again, like we just folded it. And instead of the 2 pointed tips being at the nape of your neck, you're going to be at the top, and you're going to tie it twice at the nape of your neck. And you're not going to take the tails back into, you're not going to stuff them back into the scarf. And you can wear it like this, and it looks good like that. But if you want to tuck them back in, you can do that as well. And just kind of tuck them back in from the back, and you're all good to go. There you go. You can wear that one any way that you like. I suggest with the tails you wear it with your hair down. That way it doesn't look funny and you just have some random tails coming out of nowhere. Okay, so you're gonna keep, for the next couple looks, you're gonna keep the scarf folded like we've had it, but this time you're gonna tie the scarf in the middle like that, and with this one we're gonna tie it over the hair and tuck the ends back in. And there you go. Super easy. This one's more of a boho kind of look, and it looks really cool. Next, I'm going to put my hair up in a ponytail, and I will show you some ways that you can wear your headscarf like that. Okay, my hair is up in a ponytail, and you can have this as thick or as thin as you want. I suggest doing it thinner, and you're going to take it and just tie it around your ponytail. And depending on how thick or how long your hair is, you can keep the tails down, and it's just kind of fun. Or you can continue to wrap it around, and you can wear this hairstyle with a bun as well. So for this next look, it's going to be more of a turban. So you're going to want to unravel your headscarf and fold it diagonally again, but you're going to want it a bit thicker. Okay, so I only rolled mine twice, and you're gonna put that piece back to the back of the head, and you can position the knot wherever you want. I like to do it kind of like right on my hairline or just below my hairline. So you're gonna tie it once, then tie it again, and again switch the ends, and you're going to tie it twice in the back, and put the ends back into the scarf so you can hide them. And here is that turban look. And you can do this look with your hair down, or you can do it up. I usually like to do it while it's up, but I will do it while it's down as well. And here's what it looks like down. I like both. They look pretty good either way. Now for this last one, we're going to do one that kind of looks like how you would wear a bandana. So you just want to fold the headscarf diagonally like we did before, and you want this part to be in front of your face. And you're gonna bring the ends up towards your forehead, and then you're only going to tie that one once. You're gonna bring the ends back around your head and tie them twice, and make sure that they're tight. And then hide the ends back into the tails. Then you're going to take this and you're going to fold it back in to where it was tied. And you can make it as far apart as you want or as close as you want. I usually like to do mine a little bit closer together. And then it just kind of creates this little stylized cap. And this one's really fun for if you're gonna be in a car and it's gonna be windy. because I always have problems with my hair flying everywhere. Or if your hair is greasy, this one is great. And you don't want to wear a hat and you want to be a little bit more different. I don't know what this was. And this is also pretty great. It's a very boho look. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what your favorite look was. Tell me which one was your least favorite look. Let me know if there's any other styles that you want to see with headscarves. But thank you so much for tuning in, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks.